Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video we going to know how to make a paper boomerang. Materials required and half A4 sheet is enough to make a paper boomerang. Let's get started. This is the paper boomerang model. Okay, first fold it in half and make a crease well. And open and again make a fold as same as this. Now fold vertically and make the crease. So make a small triangle on both sides. And again the opposite side, make small triangles on the both sides. And open the small triangle, and this will be like this. Now turn it into back and fold the crease of the triangle that we, it's a small triangle that we made. And turn the side, and now keep this and insert, and it will be like this. Yeah, this is correct. And fold to the left side and make a crease. And fold, and see here there is a the fold of the triangle, so like this, make a crease, and in this side also fold and make crease. Now it will be like this. So in here, take it out and that side insert in this and fold again left side. If you insert it correctly, the boomerang will return to you. So in this side, make a small triangle. Yeah, and again the same, the opposite side. Now open this the right side triangle and insert like this. And make a crease, and in this triangle in the left side, now take it out, and there is a hole in the right side. Now insert this left side triangle into the right side triangle. So same step on both sides. Yeah, our boomerang ready. So make sure to like our channel, subscribe and share. Thank you.